Libraries in our province may be closed, but behind closed doors, they're doing some pretty interesting things, especially with the Regina Public Library. Devon Pollack joins me from the library in Regina, except, well, from home. Devon, tell me about what's going on with the servers at the library.
That's a great question. So we are using computers that are idle at the library to contribute to Folding at Home, which is a volunteer project that's helping scientists crunch data on the COVID virus. They're looking through proteins and cell structures to think of ways to fight the virus, maybe come up with new therapies. And so we're using our computer power from Regina and sending that to those scientists to help them speed up that process.
Devon, what's the reaction to this been since you guys started using these computers?
It's been huge. On social media, people are really excited. I think when we're all in this together and people are seeing that our library is contributing to something that's affecting the whole globe, it just makes us feel really good. It's a hopeful story.
That being said, people are still finding ways to access the library even though it's closed. Tell me about that.
Yeah, as a library fan myself, I have been using our apps and services like Hoopla and Canopy and Tumble Books and BrainFuse. These are just a few names of services that you can get from home with your library card. You can watch streaming movies and TV and get books. I myself, a huge graphic novel fan, and so I like using Hoopla to get these graphic novels on my tablet. And right now, a lot of these services realize that we're all in the same boat. And so they've expanded these services greatly to get more people using them, to alleviate the usage of them and improve your service. So you get more credits. There's not as many holds on things. Each service is a little different, so you have to check that out at reginalibrary.ca.
Devon, what about people who maybe don't have a library card and haven't been able to access those items?
Yeah, our team has been working really hard behind the scenes to make sure that everybody can get access to the library from home. So if you call 306-777-6000, that number will take you to our behind the scenes people, and they can set you up with a digital library card from anywhere. So if you're a Regina resident, get your digital library card, start streaming, and get whatever you want to read.
What kind of reaction have you seen to that phone number? How many people are calling in and starting to get library cards that never had one before?
We don't have any official stats yet for that, so we haven't quite seen, but just from what I see behind the scenes on social media, it's been a huge explosion of people asking us questions about how to sign up and what services they can access. So even though we don't have the official numbers, just anecdotally from what I see, a lot of people are getting what they need from the library right now.
Devon, thanks so much for your time.